going to click on check your eligibility. So again, I'm going to select Indian passport, and then location is India. I'm applying from India itself. And yeah, this is very big. If you want to stay in Thailand for more than 60 days or travel multiple times to Thailand within that 60 days, best example I can give you is if you are flying from Bangalore to Japan via Bangkok, you go from Bangalore to Bangkok, book a very cheap flight like 7 or 8,000 rupees. From there, you book a flight to Tokyo, which is even cheaper. So if you are also like me, if you want to use Thailand as a transit hub to Southeast Asian countries like Japan, China, Philippines, etc., then you would need something called as Thailand's e-visa, which is multiple entry visa, and you can travel to Thailand multiple times in 60 days or in 80 days, in 100 days, whatever you decide you want to travel to Thailand, then this video is for you and you have come to the right place. Now I'll not waste any more time, guys. I'll directly take you to my screen, show you the step-by-step process. This video will apply for people who are applying tourism visa, dependent visa, medical visa, DTV visa, everything. The process remains the same. So I'm going to take you to my screen and then I'm going to show you exactly what I wanted to say and what is the process of applying Thailand's e-visa or multiple entry visa. But before that, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regularly watching and consuming my content are non-subscribers, guys. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Now again, no wastage of time. Let's go to my screen. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So when you open Chrome or go to Google, just type Thai e-visa. Now you click on the official website of Thailand Electronic Visa. There are many fake websites, guys. Be very careful. Recently, my friend lost $50 because of a fake website when filling up Indonesia's e-visa. So I'll just click on the first link. Acknowledge, and I will apply for a new visa. So it says create an account and sign in. So what I'm going to do here is already I've created an account, guys. So just create an account. If you have not created an account, I'll show you what to do. So just fill this up and then click on create an account or just do sign in that I'm doing now. So I just want to sign in, and before signing in, I will just choose India as my country and Thailand planned stay 63 days. Now, if I do check, it says clearly that with a tourist visa, I can stay only in Thailand for no longer than 60 days. If you wish to stay in Thailand for more than 60 days, then you have to extend your visa or apply for an e-visa, which I'm doing now. So let me log in through my Gmail account that I registered. MWF. Okay, this should be good. So I have logged into my account. Recently, I've just tested an application very prior to this. So now what I'm going to do is I'll apply for a new application and a new visa. I'm not going to use the same application to demo this video. So I'm going to click on check your eligibility. So again, I'm going to select Indian passport and then location is India. I'm applying from India itself. And yeah, this is very basic. I'll come to this in a minute. And applying it. So I stay in Bangalore, guys. Whatever is closest according to the geography of Indian map, I stay in Bangalore. I'm a Bangalorean. So I'll apply for Chennai. That is closest to me. But if you're staying in North or if you're staying in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, then choose your consulate wisely and accordingly because it may lead to rejections. Now I am choosing Chennai. And travel document is ordinary passport. There is a lot of options here: diplomatic passport, official passport, public affair. But majority of Indians who are seeing this video and applying would have ordinary passport. And then visa type is the most important thing. Now, a lot of people are asking me what is DTV visa. You can choose DTV. You can also apply Thailand's DTV visa from here. But for this video purpose, I'm only going to choose tourist visa. So I've selected tourist visa. This portal is always a bit slow, guys. So bear with me. Yeah, so purpose of visit is again tourism and leisure activities. You've got a lot of options. I'm just going to quickly go through this. I don't want to waste any more time in this video, but the website is absolutely slow, to be honest. So I've just selected tourism. Still not loading. Come on. Yeah, so number of entries, multiple. Now this is the main thing. I'm requesting multiple entry visa of Thailand. Now I'll click on next. Then select your title, Mr. Then male. Then first name would be Software Traveler. software traveler, and then contact number, I'll just give it as, and email, I'll give it as at gmail.com. Nationality, Indian. Other nationality, India and government, MEA, Ministry of External Affairs doesn't allow dual citizenship for Indians. So it either has to be India or some other country. So I'm obviously Indian. Nationality at birth would be India. Place of birth is very, very important. So choose very, very wisely, guys. Sorry, yeah. And city of birth, again, you have to choose very, very wisely here. Instead of that, I meant this, because if it is Bangalore and Bengaluru, is a lot of difference. If your passport says Bengaluru, choose Bengaluru. Date of birth, just gonna choose some kind of date of birth. National status, married. Travel document, again, passport. Travel document number. Place of issue would be Bengaluru. And then date of issue, I'll just mention it as 2022 November 1st, and the expiry would be 32 October 31st. Home address would be Jayanagara, Bengaluru. Country state would be Karnataka. City again would be Bengaluru. So even Thailand website is updated with Bengaluru and not Bangalore. That is very good to know. Is a permanent address same as Jan current address? Yes. Occupation, I'm a software engineer. So I'll just select, for example, I don't work at Infosys, but I'm just select example as Infosys. Annual income, whatever, guys, I'll just choose the middle one. This really doesn't matter. So whatever is your annual income, choose this accordingly. Okay, so it's asking me to update passport and photo. So I'm going to update some AI generated passport and photo. So bear with me. 31st. Yeah, this will do. So it's gonna click on next. Okay, what is missing? Ah, okay, this you have to fill with a lot of patience, guys. Now I'm doing a video, so I'm just hurrying things up. So intended rate of travel, I'll mention it as 2026. And I'll go with February 1st of 2026. Then exit would be uh, April maybe 21st, because it should be more than 60 to 79 days. And country would be India, and I'll be coming through air. So first port of entry will be Suvarnabhumi Airport. Actually, I'll select Don Bang Airport, and mode of transport would be scheduled commercial flight, and this would be FD 138. I already have the flight number by heart, so I'm just filling this. Otherwise, fill your own flight. Have you visited Thailand? Yes, and these two will be no. And hotel accommodation, I've just selected an example. This is called Amoron Elux Hotels. I actually stayed this in 2022, so I'm taking the same example. And then enter your address. I'm just going to enter the hotel's address. And select would be Bangkok, and district would be, you can see the district, it will be Klong Tan Neo. So I'm just going to try to select that. Okay, it looks like the district is not there. So it's called Watana. Select if, but yeah, it's there. So this would be, yeah, Klong Tang Nia. Here you go. Same thing. And then postal code would be, it's already prompting, and number I'm just going to copy paste from Google. And duration of stay would be around, I'll just keep it as 79 days, same days. Additional accommodation in Thailand, no. I'll click on next. So it have already uploaded certain documents. So a document indicating current location. Again, I'm just going to choose some dummy domain to click on done. So when I click on done, this is an AI generated photo, of course, not mine. You can see all the details that has already been filled. Now I'm not going to click on accept and confirm, because I don't want to submit dummy applications. So if you accept and confirm, then your application is officially submitted. So as you saw on my screen, if you click on accept and confirm, then your application will be submitted. Then it will redirect you to the payment. Then you have to go to the consulate, submit all your documentation, and then finally e-visa will be issued after all the process. Once this Thai e-visa is issued, first time when you go to Thailand, they're going to put a stamp on your passport which clearly indicates you have an e-visa, and you can enter and exit Thailand multiple times as you wish, because you have got a multiple Thailand e-visa, which will not stop you from any immigration officer entering Thailand multiple times in that 60-day free visa period like we used to have before. I hope this video was very clear and informative, guys. Please share this video with your friends and family, whoever is looking to looking to go to multiple entry to Thailand, have multiple entries, and then travel as you wish, as you like, when you want. I hope this video again was very helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video.